Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Windows notifications on Dell laptop. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, enter the system, go for notifications. Here you can find notifications that we can enable or disable. You can also click on the arrow next to it to allow notifications to play sounds, show notifications on the lock screen, and show reminders and incoming VoIP calls on the lock screen. You can also scroll down and find all of the apps that can send you notifications and also enable or disable them individually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.